Here you see an example of our transfer coatings Valure, which from my perspective very nicely describes the ability what you can do with a transfer coatings technology. In one piece the shoe upper has been produced, and the design texture, which is transferred from a silicone mold, can be found here quite nicely, and it's all sprayed with the same color. However, you nicely see that a multi-tone effect is possible, and from a design opportunity you can see the fading here, starting from a technical design and going over to a natural grain, and at the other side again the technical grain. You also have the ability to incorporate logos or copy protection, so for your customers it's really clear that this shoe is out of your factory. We look forward to discuss this more in detail with you on the Simac here or online via booking via our homepage a meeting with me for next week. Look forward to it.
BASF. We create chemistry.